What if I told you your Apple Watch could unlock your iPhone without Face ID, or even control your entire iPhone from your wrist? First, handoff in Apple Maps. Let's start with navigation. Ever typed in a super long address on your iPhone and then thought, why am I squinting at this tiny screen on the go? Here's the trick. Start directions on your iPhone using Apple Maps. Then just glance at your Apple Watch. Boom. The directions automatically appear, complete with tap-by-tap haptics. Yep, your wrist literally taps you when it's time to turn. 2. Unlock iPhone with Apple Watch. Remember the mask era when Face ID just gave up? Well, your Apple Watch can be your VIP pass to unlock your iPhone. No face needed. Even today, when sunglasses turn you into a Face ID ghost, just swipe up and your iPhone unlocks. Because your Apple Watch knows it's you. To enable it, go to Settings and tap Face ID and Passcode on your iPhone and toggle on Unlock with Apple Watch. 3. Music controls from the wrist. Let's talk music. You hit play on your iPhone, and like magic, your Apple Watch pulls up Now Playing. Volume? Twist the digital crown. Want to skip the cringe part of a song during a party? One flick of the wrist. No need to dig for your phone like a magician pulling a rabbit from a bag. 4. Use Apple Watch as a camera remote. Want that perfect group selfie but your iPhone's far away on a tripod? Use your Apple Watch as a live camera viewfinder plus shutter button. Open the camera app on your iPhone. It automatically opens the camera remote app on your Apple Watch. From your wrist, you can preview the shot, tap to focus, and snap the pic. Or even set a 3-second timer. Perfect for travel shots, solo reels, or your next I woke up like this moment. 5. Find my iPhone. Ah yes, the classic, where's my phone, drama. Press side button on your Apple Watch, tap that iPhone icon, and it starts pinging like it owes you money. 6. Dictate text from watch to iPhone. Replying to long texts on your iPhone while walking? Meh. Instead, dictate replies from your Apple Watch directly into Messages, WhatsApp, or even Instagram DMs. Open Messages on your watch, tap Reply, and tap the microphone icon. Now, start speaking. It converts your voice into text with shocking accuracy. 7. Enable bedside mode for nightstand clock. Turn your Apple Watch into a cool, glowing nightstand clock that lights up only when you tap the table or touch the watch. Go to Settings, General, and tap Nightstand mode. Toggle it on. Now, when your watch is charging sideways on your bedside, it shows a minimal glowing clock plus alarm. 8. Calls and messages from your wrist. Phone buried in your bag? No worries. Just answer calls right from your Apple Watch. To silence an incoming call without rejecting it, just cover your watch with your hand. And if you need to transfer the call to your iPhone later, tap Transfer to iPhone mid-call. Seamless like a secret agent. 9. Check iPhone battery from Apple Watch. Can't find your iPhone and worried it's dead? Install the Battery Phone app, free on App Store on your Apple Watch. It shows your iPhone's current battery percentage, right from your wrist. No need to dig into your bag just to know if you're at 7% and living on hope. 10. Control iPhone from Apple Watch. Here's where it gets sci-fi. You can control your entire iPhone from your Apple Watch. Yep. To enable this, on your Apple Watch, go to Settings, Accessibility, and tap Control Nearby Devices. From there, select your iPhone. You can open the Control Center, launch Siri, lock the screen, adjust volume, and more. Just from your wrist. Your Apple Watch is your iPhone's smart sidekick. Got a fave combo? Comment below, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.